Hello everyone, I am Brahma, a data engineer with hands on experience in building data systems, solving real world data challenges, and exploring how AI can make data more intelligent and actionable. Today, I want to talk about the future of data and AI from my own journey as a data engineer, builder, learner, and creator. For many years, data engineering was mainly about moving data from one place to another. We built pipelines, cleaned the data, created tables, wrote SQL, Python jobs, validation scripts, and dashboards. All of that is still important. But today, something big is changing. Data is no longer just sitting inside tables. Data is becoming a conversation, a decision engine, and an assistant that can guide people in real time in real projects. Data comes from many sources, applications, operational systems, databases, APIs, and reporting layers. The challenge sounds simple: move the data, transform it, validate it, and make it ready for reporting. But real data is never that simple. Sometimes one field is missing, sometimes one join filters thousands of records. Sometimes users ask, why is this count low? And the answer is hidden inside models, joins, and business rules. That is where I realized something powerful. The future of data engineering is not only pipeline engineering, the future is context engineering. Because data without context is just numbers. A dashboard may show that records are missing a key attribute. But the real question is, why is it missing? Where did it break? Who is impacted? And what should we do next? This is where AI becomes more than a chatbot. AI can become a data teammate. Imagine a business user asking, why did this population drop this week? The system checks metadata, data quality, schema changes, joins, filters, and rules. Then it explains the issue and recommends the next step. That is the future I believe in. Data systems that are not passive but active. They do not just store data, they understand data, explain data, recommend actions, and help execute actions safely. But technology alone is not enough. The real power comes when human experience meets AI. When I build learning content, create beginner friendly videos, write learning plans, and experiment with AI apps, I always come back to one truth: AI should not replace human learning. AI should make learning easier, faster, and more practical. A beginner should not feel scared of data engineering. A business user should not feel blocked because they do not know SQL. A leader should not wait for a long reporting cycle to make one decision. The next generation of data plus AI tools should reduce fear and increase clarity. I imagine a decision intelligence platform where users can talk to their data. Leaders can ask about trends, people insights, cost impact, and business changes. The system can create a trusted layer, understand business meaning, and recommend the next best action. Not just show me a chart, but tell me what changed, why it changed, who is impacted, and what we should do next. In this world, the most valuable data engineers will understand business context, data quality, storytelling, and AI assisted decision making. AI is creating a new level of work. It is asking us to think bigger, not just how do I write this query, but how do I build a system that helps people make better decisions. That is why I believe the future belongs to people who combine data skills with curiosity, communication, and courage. My journey started with pipelines, SQL, Python, data systems, and reporting. But slowly it became something bigger, building trust in data and helping teams understand the story behind the numbers. Do not look at AI as the end of data engineering. Look at AI as the next chapter of data engineering. The next chapter is intelligent decision systems. People who understand data and context will lead that chapter. Thank you.